This video is for rooms 14, 16, and 17. And this week in your spelling pamphlet, you are supposed to alphabetize some words. So let's look at this little video, and they do a nice job of explaining why we alphabetize and how to alphabetize.
Have you ever wondered why we alphabetize words? Let's think about it. Here are all 26 of the letters of the alphabet, in alphabetical order. Can you find the A? Easily, right? How about a harder one, like S? Still pretty easy to find, isn't it? How about M? Yep, right where it should be, between L and N. Okay, now let's scramble them up in order of my favorite letter to least favorite letter. Now find the M. Takes a little longer. Okay, how about an easy one like the A? Still kind of hard, especially when you don't know that A is my 20th favorite letter, right after Q and before X. When they're in order, especially in order that everyone knows, they're easiest to find. The same goes for words. And when you're putting whole words in order, and not just letters, you just have to take it one letter at a time. Let's try it. Just line your words up so you can see the first letter of each word in one column. And we'll start at the beginning. See any A words? Oh, there's one, ape. Let's put it up here. Our first word. Okay, how about B words? Nope. C words? Oh, yes, cup. So we'll put that here. Our second word. Okay. Uh-oh, another C word. It's okay, no problem. Don't panic. Now we just have to look at the second letter. Let's line these up. C is the same, so we ignore that letter and look at the second letter. A and U. A comes first. So car is actually our second word, and cup is our third word. Okay. Next are D words. Oh, look, we have two again. We know what to do. So we'll ignore the first letter and, oh, the second letter is the same too. No problem. We'll just ignore the second letter too and try the third letter. G and T. G comes first in the alphabet, so that's our next word. Dog goes here, then dot goes right behind it. I'll bet you know what to do when the third, fourth, or fifth letters are the same now too. Okay, just one word left, and its first letter is H, and H comes after D, so it goes last, right here. And now you know the hows and whys, so all of your words can be alphabetized.
Okay, so in your pamphlet this week, there are 3 questions, and you're supposed to put the 3 words in order. So I thought I would just do them right on here with you. So I was going to do what she did and line them up. Let me pick a larger font so you can see it. So I write pink, pickle, and pig. And I noticed they all 3 start with P. What'd she say to do? What are the rules for ABC order? You look at the second letter, but in this case, all the second letters are I. So I'm going to look at the G. Let me make that bold for you. I'm going to look at C, and I'm going to look at N. And those are the 3 that are going to determine the right order. So, what do you guys think? N, C, or G? You might need to go through the alphabet. I do that even as an adult, and a lot of adults do that. I literally say the alphabet to myself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I said C first, so I'm going to write pickle. Put a comma between a list of words. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The G word is next. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. And the N word is last. And there's my proper order. And I'm going to write pink or pickle, pig, and pink right here with a comma between my list of words. I'll do one more and I'll let you do number 3 by yourself. So rock, rice, and rain. Let me put that here. Nice and big for you to read. So I write rock, rice, and rain. And you might not always be able to line them up like this. I like to, if this were a worksheet in front of you in class, you would use your pencil. I would underline R-O, R-I, or R-A. I might even just circle O, I, and A because that's going to determine my order. The R's are all at the beginning. So what comes first? O, I, or A? If you said rain, I would agree with you. Comma between a list of words. And then if this were a pencil, I would let's see if I can do this. I was going to try to cross it out. I can't do that. But if I had a pencil, I'd go boop because I already wrote that one. And then what would you put here? Rice or rock? And if you need to say the alphabet every time, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The I word would be next, comma, and then rock. You see what I did? R-A, R-I, R-O. And I'm going to literally write this right here. And then at the bottom, let's make that a little bigger so you can see it. You're going to put these in order. And I notice 2 of them start with D. So you look at the second letter, which happens to be the same. So what are you going to look at here? You're going to look at this D and this N, and that's going to help you determine the order. So you do that one by yourself. All right, the last slide I have here is all of your spelling words. And I thought for a challenge, I could do it with you, and we could think out loud, and I'll just show you what I would do. I often have to say the alphabet every time, and I'll show you what I do. So I just start A. Do you see any A words? Nope. I just go through the alphabet. And again, if I had a pencil, I would cross them off as I write them. A, B, C. I see a C word. Were you thinking that? You try to beat me. What's next? A, B, C, D. Do we see any D words? No. E, F. I see an F word. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No G words. H. There's an H word. I. No. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Do you see what I see? There's 2 of them. P. R. and P. A. What do you guys think? Did you say she should write painless first? I would agree. A, B, and then sometimes I do this all the time. I go right back to the beginning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. No. R. No. S. 3 S words. S, P, S, P, S, P. All 3 of them S, P. And if I had a pencil, I would start circling. So I'd circle my third letter, E, O, and O. Uh-oh, these both have O. Now what? You go to the next letter. So S-P-O, T, S-P-O, O. Then what? S-P-O-T, is that good? There's three of them. You know what? I messed up. Look, S-P-E. That comes before O. So the beauty of computers is I can just insert it. You might have to erase, and that's why crossing out helps. S-P-E, S-P-O. This O comes before T. There we go. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should have two more. Useful. I'm still missing one. Do you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm missing one, boys and girls. Painless, spotless, speechless, fearless, priceless, careful, spoonful, useful. I miss colorful. Look, way back at the beginning. Have you been thinking this whole time Mrs. Betts messed up? So where does it go? C-O. That comes after C-A. Boy, if this were in pencil, I'd have to draw an arrow or something. Did I fix it? C-A, C-O, F-E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Ta-da! All right, so that's why I was saying pencil, cross things out so you can see. I don't think I would have missed colorful if I had crossed some things out. There you go. That's alphabetizing. Good luck. You've watched this. Now see if you can turn this off and see if you can write these by yourself without copying my list and send a picture to your teacher. At minimum, please do these. I didn't do number 3. Go ahead and write those in ABC order for your teacher. Good luck, boys and girls.